Today I'm going to show you how to make crumpled can mock-up in Adobe Photoshop. First, open your object selection tool from the toolbar. Open the mode list at the top and select lasso. Create a selection around the body of the can. Press Ctrl J to cut the body of the can from its background. Name it if you want. Now, from the toolbar, select Rectangle tool. Click and drag to draw a rectangle. Right-click and convert it to Smart Object. Decrease opacity around 50%. Press Ctrl T to free transform. Click and drag outside the shape to rotate it. Then right-click and choose the Distort. Click and drag of the corner handles. Right-click again and choose Warp. Open the grid list at the top and select 3x3. Now use these handles to bend the shape and match it to your can's body. Press Enter on your keyboard. Set the opacity back to 100%. Right-click and select Create Clipping Mask. Double-click on this and rename it Add Design. Now double-click the thumbnail to place your design. Go to File, Place Embedded and place your second image. Adjust the size and position accordingly. Hit Enter once you're satisfied. Let's go back to the file and choose Save. And then close the document. Change the blending mode of this layer from normal to multiply. Click the FX icon and choose the blending options. Now hold the Alt key to split the white slider and drag it to the left. Then press OK. And this is the final result. Thanks for watching.